How to confirm your device is receiving power over Ethernet. Verify your switch is PoE compatible. Plug one end of your Ethernet cable into your PoE switch and the other end into your PoE adapter. The green lights indicate power is being transferred from the switch to the PoE. Plug one end of your power cable into the PoE and the other into your tablet. Confirm your tablet is receiving power. How to confirm your device is receiving power and data. Plug one end of your Ethernet cable into your PoE switch and the other into your gigabit PoE adapter. The green lights indicate power is being transferred from the switch to the gigabit PoE. Plug one end of your data plus power cable into the gigabit PoE and the other into your tablet. Confirm tablet is receiving power. Then confirm tablet is receiving internet.